In this video, I'm going to give you a tip on how you can get free leads for your vending machines. Free account leads for your vending machines. So this strategy is something we've actually used here at Hill Vending. The basic premise is whatever your service area is, you want to go outside of that. So let's say you only operate in a certain county or radius. You want to Google all the vending operators that are outside of your service area, give them a call, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Adam with Hill Vending. I own and operate a vending service here in Pinellas County, but I wanted to know and team up with you. If you get a lead in my county that they don't want to service, would you give me a call? And I would do the same thing for you. If I get a lead in your county that I don't want to go service, I'll call you. So this is a strategy that can be really powerful, but it goes back to the networking aspect of vending. Getting to know other vendors in your area, in your state, so that you can get leads. And this actually just recently happened to us here at Hill Vending. A gentleman in another county that we don't go to got a lead for an account that was in our area, and actually he referred them to us. So this is a strategy that can be really powerful if you develop the relationships, but you have to take the time to give them a call, to tell them who you are, and give them something in return. Okay, another tweak on that is you could also offer money in return. You could offer them a little fee for as if they call you, because they may know 5 different vendors, but why would they call you? Well, if you're going to give them $50 or $100 for the lead, they'll call you first. So this is something that you guys might want to try to do if you're having trouble getting vending accounts. If you're having trouble finding locations for your vending machines, try this strategy out. Go outside of your area, find out who those vendors are, give them a call, and tell them what I just said in this video. What's it gonna hurt? You have nothing to lose. If you like this video, consider subscribing. If you're interested on how to grow or start your own vending business, click the link below. We have our ebook on sale where you can learn how we did it here at Hill Vending. And as always, remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.